Good morning. Let us move to the next article. I think one problem is left. Let us first solve this problem on unit step function. After that we shall move to the next article. This is fourth problem. F of t is equal to 0 for t less than a, 1 for t greater than equal to a. So here we have f of t is equal to 0 for t less than a and 1 for t greater than a. Let us see how to solve this. It is clearly f of t is equal to u of t minus and therefore Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of u of t minus a. This is equal to, for this integration from 0 to a, 0 into e to the power minus st dt plus for this integration of a to infinity 1 into e to the power minus st dt. This is 0, 0 into anything is 0. First term has become automatically 0 plus this is 1 into this is simply this. Integration of this is e to the power minus st divided by minus s limits 0 to infinity. This is equal to e to the power minus infinity minus e to the power minus as divided by minus s. This is equal to e to the power minus infinity is 0. So minus e to the power minus as divided by minus get cancelled and you will have the answer simply as e to the power minus es divided by s. So, Laplace transform of given f of t is simply e to the power minus as divided by s. This is about the problems on unit step function. And the last article of this unit. Solution of simple differential equation using Laplace transform technique. last article of this unit. You may think of the two articles. Laplace transform of elementary functions, it is already done, and the shifting theorem, it is also worked out while talking about the shifting properties of Laplace transform and Fourier transform, and therefore this is the last article. Solution of simple differential equation using Laplace transform technique. You know simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is performed by any vibrating or oscillating body about its mean position when its amplitude of oscillation or vibration is very small. That type of motion is known as simple harmonic motion. The motion of a simple pendulum, the motion of atoms vibrating inside a solid. You have studied this in solid state physics. The motion of bar pendulum, Quertrus pendulum, there are harmonic oscillator, there are so many examples of simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is represented by simple differential equation. Simple differential equation representing simple harmonic motion is this. You are very familiar with this equation. d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0, equation number 1. You have studied this equation in 11th class, 12th class, even in BSc, first year, maybe second year, even in quantum mechanics at BSc third year. Simple differential equation representing simple harmonic motion is given by equation 1. d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. How to start the simple harmonic motion? This is the body. It is at the mid position. Take it to one extreme away from the mid position and release so that it will start performing simple harmonic motion. What is the initial condition? The body is taken from mid position to one extreme, either to the left extreme or to the right extreme, and from this the oscillations will start. What is the initial condition for starting the oscillation? At time t is equal to 0, x is equal to x0, this x0 corresponding to maximum displacement of the body from the mid position, which we call as amplitude of oscillation. What is velocity there? At time t is equal to 0, velocity is equation number 2. The initial conditions before starting the simple harmonic motion. The initial conditions before starting the simple harmonic motion are this: at time t is equal to 0, x is equal to x0, and its velocity at that time is dx by dt is equal to 0. Now, let us take Laplace transform of equation 1. Let us take Laplace transform of equation 1. You know how to take Laplace transform of derivatives. In earlier lectures, we talked about Fourier transform of derivatives and Laplace transform of derivatives. We did it for first order derivative, second order derivative, nth order derivative, for Fourier transform as well as for Laplace transform. So let us find Laplace transform of equation 1. Laplace transform of first term will be s square because of this second order derivative. Laplace transform of x minus s into x at t is equal to 0 minus dx by dt at t is equal to 0 plus omega square is constant. Laplace transform of x at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. What is Laplace transform of x? X is here f of t, g of x. So s square into g of x minus s into what is x at t is equal to 0? x0 minus x into x0 minus what is dx by dt at t is equal to 0? 0 plus omega square. What is Laplace transform of x? There is no need to write here at t is equal to 0. That will be what? G of x is equal to 0. Now, let us transfer this to other side and we will have this as s square g of s plus omega square g of s is equal to s into x0. G of s can be taken common. When g of s is taken common, what left is s square plus omega square. This is equal to s into x0. Transfer this bracket to this side to get g of s is equal to s divided by s square plus omega square into x0. Equation number 3. Now we take inverse Laplace transform of equation 3. And this is L inverse of g of s is equal to x0 is constant. L inverse of s divided by s square plus omega square. Laplace transform of x is g of s. What is inverse Laplace transform of g of x? It will be simply x is equal to x0 into. See the formulae I have given for inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus omega square is cos omega t. This is simply cos omega t. X is equal to x0 into cos omega t. Equation number 4 is solution of this simple differential equation using the Laplace transform technique. This is about solution of simple differential equation using Laplace transform technique. It is very simple. Hope you understood it. While shooting the videos of problems on properties of Laplace transform, and when talking about the Fourier and Laplace transform of derivatives, some portion in the video is hide behind the screen. Some portion has lost. You listen the video, watch the video and listen the things carefully. You may come to know the part which is hide behind the screen. If you didn't get it, ask me. I will give you that material in the short manner. Okay, thank you.